This is our new rally car. Check it out. We're going to be using this for our Rambler 500. This is our first candidate. It's a 2004 Toyota Camry 4-cylinder automatic. We got the handy brake. And this is how we bought it. This is how we were able to get it under $500. I may have broke the rules a little bit. I had to pay $6 for this one. It was a hard bargain. He didn't want to let it go any cheaper, but I figured for a good running Toyota Camry, it was totally worth it. So this is our first rig. It's decently clean inside. We got 263 miles. So this is a good rig, worth thinking. You know what? Talking is good and all, but I'll just cut to the drifting for now. There's a pretty good turn over here. I think I just come in over there sideways. Watch this. We may have failed that one, but let's try it again. Good to know my front door doesn't close very well. The trick with this one is you push it in. There it is. When you push it in, it goes in. So that door won't open and that one won't close. There's got to be a movie scene for that. Just can't find it there. If y'all know a movie scene where it's one door doesn't open and the other one doesn't close, I can't find it. We've been trying to find it with my dad for some time now, but if you know the movie scene, comment in the comments. Let's get some more footage going. Our first fail yet. Not bad. One wasn't too bad. Weren't too bad. Yeah, practice some reverse 180s, you know. It's a perfect idea. All right. Reverse 180 and try not to knock out the camera. Guys, that's too much fun. Y'all, get a beater car if you haven't already. It might sound like $600 is a lot, but you know what, guys? It's not. Just look at this. This is just too much fun, guys.
and just drive it with the throttle.
The hard angle on that was too good. So I actually start out from here, just yeet the e-brake and then keep going. Just try to miss those two posts over there. Let's get a view from here. Alright, so I'm driving and I see things like this, like trails and stuff. Y'all think she can make it? We're stuck. That wasn't very successful, was it? Yeah. We're looking for a turn that can give us a good drift, good video. Feeling rubbing, like I hear the fender on the right side rubs against the tire if you drift left and the body rolls right. So I'm wondering if we could take that out, maybe use a pipe and roll the fenders, because after the wreck it seems like it just rubs a little bit of the tires, so we'll see what we can do about that. I'm gonna try to roll this fender because somewhere it's rubbing against the tire. Once I'm kneeling places, you can see the wear marks over here. Thinking we could try to use this pipe. Oh yeah, that kind of worked. Maybe we'll just take a hammer at this point and just hammer out that area. Although I kind of wish. Now there's rubbing. I don't know if it's coming in from here. Oh, right there it seems like. So we'll try to take a hammer and punch it out over there. The drifting has taken away at the wheel covers. I'm just gonna give it a couple whacks. Oh man, professional fender rolling. Goes crazy. Come to me for auto body repair. I will get it done. Now, it might look like this. We'll ignore that side. But it was a pretty good circular fender going over there. Just to play it safe, kind of go at it and whack it over here a little more at an angle like this. I'm gonna fix it so good that the door's gonna start opening on this side. All right, so now the wheel goes on. Make sure they're tight by hand. All right, so next up we're gonna fix this right here. This is what's holding the rain from currently coming in, and some rain still gets through it, but that's how I bought it. It came like that, so I'm really curious to try to kick the door out from the inside. Let's go try that. Mint. Alright guys, it worked. Now I hope that wasn't a mistake, because if we aren't going to be able to get it closed, we're going to have to just weld it shut, you know? There's a nice gap over here. So we're going to try to push it in and bend in the door frame. Really scared not to break the glass. Ooh. Look at this fitment, guys. No tape needed. I'm convinced I'm a professional. Look at the difference in gap. There was like 2 inches of gap. Look at that. It's good to go. This door needs to be fixed. It doesn't close, so you have to push it down to close. So I'm gonna try to hang on it a little bit. Let's see if that did it. Not yet. I see the problem. We have to take this hinge and pull it out that way more. Latch is going onto the flat part, not onto where it can latch on. So we need to figure out to ratchet strap this out more. All right, so this is our contraption over here over the door. Now we can pull this lever as much as we want. Basically, because of the crash, there was such a big indent in there, it pulled the latch back, and now my door won't latch. With there being tension on the strap, if I just tap around with the hammer here, it will start pulling it out. Now the moment of truth, after using the ratchet strap and tapping with the hammer. Alright, it's good. Now we're ready for autocross. We got the door fixed, the wheel's not rubbing. We changed the oil. We just added a bunch of random oils. I'm pretty sure I added power steering. Okay guys, I can confirm it's working perfect now. I don't hear any rubbing at all. Usually if I would drift, then I'd hear the rubbing, especially if I'm turning left. So let's try it now. We'll just eat the e-brake here. The car's running good. We're ready for an autocross session, and yeah, we should be able to pass by all the safety rules. Battery, lug nuts, just simple things like that. So yeah, I'm excited for this. So stay tuned for another episode. We're gonna go to the autocross. We're going with a couple friends, so we'll have different car options. So stay tuned for that.